Can you hide your country on Instagram? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can hide our country on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So first, let's head over to our Insta. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. Then tap on the bottom right corner. And then now you can simply search for the settings to hide your country on Insta. So let's do that. Tap on the three lines on the top right. Then from here you can simply search for your settings that allows you to completely hide your country. Now you can go to account privacy. There you'll see that there is no option. You can go to other options here as well. So you can just go to whichever option you feel like is the one. So there you can see account types and tools. There isn't any option as well. Privacy center and nothing there as well. So you can scroll down and find more options, but there is simply no option that can hide your country on Instagram. Now that is because as account based in is default feature that displays the country where your account is located, and you cannot delete or you cannot remove a default feature on Insta. So you cannot completely hide your country on Instagram. I hope this video was informative and helpful for you guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.